Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing CSUI, TOMDF, SIRC, BCAB, TTOO, Gmbl, Mttr, SDC, Bmxi, INKW, and MONI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the like button and also hit the link in the description to sign up for our free reports and all of our alerts. The best part is it is a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. All right, guys. Well, we're going to talk about videos from yesterday. I had 6 winners from yesterday. CSUI, TOMDF, SIRC, BCAB, TTOO, and Gmbl all ended in the green today. Congrats to all caught that move. First up is CSUI. This is a reverse merger play with Catalyst, just a $7 million market cap. Hit 30 cents today. This is a it's gone from a penny to 30 cents. So again, congratulations, a 30 bagger, 3,000% return. And, today I've changed my charts. If you're watching immediately, I post the video as soon as I upload, so it is processing the high definition version, so sometimes people can't see. But today I switched some things up. Today we are looking at the weekly chart with the RSI. I like the weekly chart. It gives you a big picture view. You can zoom out and it gives you, just that clearer sense of what's happening. If something's in a bear or a bull trend, as you can see over the past 3 weeks, people have just been accumulating CSUI, and it just had that explosive move this week. RSI, though, got over 90 today. So again, this is profit taking. So I expect some little bit profit taking more on Friday until we get the catalysts and the news on, as I talked about yesterday, about the reverse merger with Bitcoin Alley and more details on their financials. Next up is TOMDF. This one has just been dropping PRs. They announced today they completed the trial design for Tolavid long COVID clinical study in adults. What got the market really excited this week was the PCR-based monkeypox testing. So with monkeypox being a pandemic, everyone's looking for penny stocks to play that pandemic, and TMDOF is certainly one to own if you're looking to play the monkeypox pandemic. Next up is SIRC. RSI simply got overbought, guys. Some profit taking. Again, you had the accumulation down around 15 cents. You had the breakout for 2 weeks, been green bars, and today this is the first sign of a weekly red candle, and it's just simply profit taking. So if you're in SIRC, don't be discouraged. Again, as you can see when you look out, you can see that this one was at $3 back in 2021. Been on a bear run over since then, but now we're breaking the trend line, the long-term trend line, and trending up. It's on track to do over 400 million in revenues this year. So there's a lot to like with SIRC, especially if they get uplisted to NASDAQ. So definitely SIRC is still one that we really like here at InsiderFinancial.com. Next up is BCAB, guys. I talked about this one yesterday. It said it's going to get a short squeeze. 15% of the float was short. Had a better than expected earnings 2 days ago or after the bell. and just got a nice move. All this move on today, Thursday. So been a nice day here in BCAB. And look, if you look here, and as the longer term chart shows you, you're getting this rounding bottom. So it looks like the bear trend is ending, and we're going to start resume the climb. Next up is TTOO, guys. I talked about this one on the channel yesterday. I said trade it, don't own it. It was just a very weak PR. Got the market excited. The headline, T2 Biosystems to explore potential develop rapid molecular diagnostic test for monkeypox virus. And then when you go into the PR, announced today, plans to explore. So again, very weak PR, and that's why we got up to 30 cents, ran into a wall of selling there, and retraced all the way back to under 20 cents. But a huge volume, big day. We'll be keeping our eye on TTOO for further catalysts. Next up is Gmbl. Talked about this one yesterday. Up 30, closed up 31%, guys. But as I said yesterday, trade it, don't own it. Hit a high of 68 cents. Backed off there, and in the after hours, we're bidding 55 by 56 cents. A lot of the chatter was just they were going to come in and sell it anyway. So, Gmbl, a lot of bears just the PR, and there's really no news. Something about they won some award, but just really could not get the market excited, and that's why it's trading lower in the after hours. Next up are 5 penny stocks to watch. These are new plays. TTR is technically not a penny stock. It was a penny stock last week. Again, getting a rounding bottom here. Long wick here. Hit a high of 745. Backed off there. Let's see here. Not a lot of real news, but again, this is one that a lot of people are talking about right now. We'll see what, as I said, it's one of the names to watch. Let's see what it can do. I think it really needs to close above $8 to get the market excited. As you can see here, just been a lot of resistance up here. It is getting a rounding bottom, but again, it couldn't hold the gains today. So again, put this in the watch column, guys. Next up is SDC. This is Smile Direct Club. This has been a total dog with fleas. But again, we're getting the rounding bottom here. 22% of the float is short. Today's action is the start of a short squeeze. Closed at $1.62. We're bidding $1.70 by $1.71. Let's see what the action they bring. But again, if you look at today's range, $1.27 to $2.07, got rejected off that $2 pretty hard. So this is one we'll just keep our eye on going forward. Again, another one to watch. Next up is Bmxi. This one is incredibly cheap. This one has just a $2.7 million market cap. And then if you look at their financial results that they put out last month, 46% increase in net profit, 43% increase in revenue, net profit of 1.9 million, revenue 4.6 million, total assets 26 million. Again, this one here is extremely undervalued. Not a lot of people are paying attention to. BMIX is definitely one you need to put on your radar screen on the OTC. Again, just a $2.7 million market cap. They're increasing their assets. It's a great mining play. So definitely BMIX is one here that we like here at BMXI. Sorry about that. Is one we like here at Insider Financial. Next up is INKW again, and this is another one rounding bottom, 3 green weeks, close up 43%. Great PR drop. the launch of their Happy Mellow Immune Support CBD beverage, now available on the Happy Mellow website. Company previously announced the completion of its Happy Mellow production run is August 2nd news release. Been posting updates on Twitter. On August 4th, they said, did you enjoy the convenience of online shopping? Be Water is sold and ships through Amazon. Amazon stocks Be Water in over 20 of its distribution centers nationwide for fast, efficient delivery right to your doorstep. So again, INKW. Again, this one here ran to 15 cents back in 2021. We're here just above a penny. This one is a past runner, has runner written in its blood. I mean, even back in 2018, we got an impressive move all the way up to 5 cents, and then went into the bear market, another spike, bear market, and we're getting another spike. So INKW is one that we think has further upside. Next up is MONI. There's been no news since April 29th, but someone's been in here accumulating off the penny level, 3 green weeks. Again, this one here, another one spiked to 15 cents. Last summer. There's a lot to like with MONI, another reverse merger play. Get this on your radar screen if it isn't already MONI. So I would say today, of these 5 to watch, Bmxi, INKW, MONI, these are more solid plays than Mttr and SDC. I think Mttr and SDC are more trading opportunities, where Bmxi, INKW, MONI, these can be longer term swing trades. With that being said, guys, no new alerts for Friday. We're going to be doing a lot of screens over the weekend. Make sure you click that link in the description. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts. We are trying to release all of our profiles at 9 a.m. This gives you 30 minutes to do your due diligence, read our full report, and then decide if the stock is right for you. Again, these are completely free reports. We do not run any paid subscription service, and if you sign up with your mobile number, remember it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. So all you need to do is click that link in the description, or sign up in any of the pop-up boxes, or on signup.insiderfinancial.com. You will get all of our alerts. With that being said, guys, let's have a big Friday. Let's finish the week strong. It's been a good week here at InsiderFinancial.com. There's a lot we like, and we're overall real happy with the recovery in the markets, and excited for our subscribers what August and the rest of the year is going to bring. So we think better days are ahead, and 2022 we're going to finish on a strong note. Thank you, everyone. Have a great Friday, and tune in over the weekend for new updates, and also I'll be doing new chart settings, showing you guys some new things. So for those of you new to charting, go and check out, you can do any time frame. I really like the weekly. It gives you a clearer picture of what's going on, allows you to stay in swing trades longer, and day trades are great for the daily candle or shorter term frames, but if you're trying to catch a big move, there's nothing like the weekly chart. All right, guys, again, let's crush Friday. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.